Hi guys, welcome to Learn with HNG. My name is Fauzia, and in this video I'll be teaching you how to prototype with Figma. First, I want you to understand the concept of prototyping. Prototyping is the activity of demonstrating how you want each UI, in this case, to interact with one another. I have 4 artboards and I want each page to be linked to another and linked back. So right now I'm going to click on prototype and I'm going to change the interaction to on click because I want each page to be linked to another by clicking on whatever item that I want to link. First, before we get started, I want you to understand that you cannot prototype if you don't have a design. So you have to create a design first before you prototype. So now I want this home page to be linked to rooms and rates. Looking at this home page, you can see that there are four squares at the side of the page, and there's a round one here. So what we're going to be clicking on is the round one. This is what we're going to use for the interaction. Click on it and drag it to whatever page you want to link it to. I'm going to do this for the other items so that I'll be able to access each item from any page. So let's get started. Alright, now so we've linked some of the pages to another, and we're going to preview this by clicking on the play button. As you can see, it's really big and it's not fitting into my screen size. So we're going to change this by clicking on options and this, yeah. So right now it's perfect. From here we can access facilities and the contact us page. From the contact us page, we can access rooms and rates, facilities, contact us. And from the home page, we can access rooms and rates, facilities, contact us. Then back to the home page. I'm sorry, I couldn't link all of the items to each other because of time, like the timing, and it's not like we're going to fast forward this video. So from the home page, we can access the contact us, and that's it. That's just the basic of prototyping. Those are the basics of prototyping with Figma. Thank you. Please share this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.